Want to fix your iPhone suddenly sending green text bubbles instead of blue iMessages? First, open Settings and scroll down to Apps, then tap Messages. Toggle off iMessage, waiting for activation, then toggle it back on to reactivate the service. Next, scroll to Send as SMS, turn it off for a few seconds, then back on to reset how your phone falls back to text messages. If you're still seeing green bubbles, open Safari or Chrome, search for Speed Test, and run it to confirm you have a stable internet connection. iMessage requires data, not just cellular signal. Anything above a few megabits per second should let messages go through as blue bubbles. As a last resort, return to Settings, tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, choose Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and, if prompted, your screen time code. After your phone restarts, try iMessage again. If messages still appear green, the person you're texting may need to repeat these steps on their own device. If this helped you, tap like, share your messaging tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick iPhone fixes.